Today I'll be using my 10-foot Rockaway SP with my Safyre 5000 with my 38mm Gomexis knob. Now in my backpack I have a bag that's marked light dunking rigs, so everything's pre-rigged, my lead, my hooks, everything. So I come with my little hand net and I just bag my live crab. I got two ready, so I'm ready to toss them in the water and see what I can get. Okay, got another one, as you can see here. Here he is. Come on out. See, I got two in there now. So good start. As you can see, so it's good to go with the natural bait source from your areas. So just gradual release, doesn't have to be too far out because you don't want that crab flying off. All right, I got steady weight. I don't know what's up. Could be I caught a rock. I got steady weight though. That wasn't there before. Steady weight could also mean a rock, to an octopus, to a crab, anything. There we go. It was stuck on something. Now it's coming. Now it's coming. Now it's coming. There. What is it? It's a crab. It's a Samoan crab. I'll be there. The crab was eating a crab. Okay. Look at that. Caught a Samoan crab that was eating another crab. How cool is that, guys? Caught a crab that was eating a crab. Whew. Look at that. That don't happen too often. Okay, this here is just a hair under 6 inches across. It has to be 6 exact, so it's a male, but still I'm gonna go throw him back. Okay, buddy, you got your freedom. You're lucky I followed the rules and regulations of Hawaii. Going back. Locally, the carapace has to be 6 inches across to legally take this species due to its over alarming popularity with the locals. Just tried out my new GoPro. It's a lot larger and heavier than my other unit, but just got to get used to it.